Hey, good morning, guys. It's 6 o'clock now, and I'm just leaving my house here in Eastwood in Sydney. Going to fish at BoxHead today. I've been there before and been relatively successful. So it's a bit of a track. Let's say an hour and 15 minutes. So and to be honest, I would have liked to get there a little bit early, but nevertheless, we see how we go, and hopefully we get some fish. I just went through Kilcare, and this is where the gravel starts. You wonder why people have 4x4s in Australia. Well, it's not flat, and yeah, I reckon it's for adventures like these. So it's a bit of a track, you know, going from where I live in Eastwood to where we are here. But what I like is that it's, well, really in the middle of nowhere, and more importantly, because it's quite a walk down to the beach, I seldomly see other people you know, fishing, so that's nice. Kind of enjoy the solitude there, and yeah, it's really about, these trips are really about me and enjoying nature and doing the things I like without having to faff around with other people and people casting over your line. Believe it or not, 3 weeks ago I was fishing down south, and I was on this deserted beach, and a guy literally came right next to me and he cast his stupid sardine over my line. I fucking couldn't believe it. Anyways, here where I'm now, those type of people, I don't think they come here. Just had a quick stop so we can have a look at the surf down there. Gorgeous day, just look at that. So behind here there's another hidden beach. So last time I was fishing on the left here, and it was really good. I don't really see any sandbanks on the surf there. Evidently there's a steep drop off just behind where them waves are breaking, so it might be worth a go. And to the right there you can see where the rocks come out. So yeah, we'll see how we go. So got a standard chat trace here. Just gonna hook one of these swords, maybe a smaller one. Got a 6/0 hook. Usually it does the trick. But I got some of this cotton thanks to my mate Jaco Bardenhorst, who was so kind to import it from South Africa for me. So cheers for that. Just going to cotton this bad boy up a little bit so you don't have all the dramas in the bottom there with the surf and that. Tell you what, that's a starter for 10. And we're fishing. So really I came to the left hand side of this beach. Got a bit of a shad trace there. I'm just going to chuck a whole sardine and see how we go. Definitely looks like a bit of a drop off there, so just gonna have to see which way the surf takes it. Are we fishing? Just look at this place, man. It is unbelievable. It's a pity it's so far from my house. The side wash there was very strong, so I decided to move to the other side of this beach. So if you look back, you can kind of see where I was. So I was all the way on the other side, had a bit of a walk. So I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but right in front of me there's some deep water and there's some rocks sticking out maybe 20-30 meters in. So looks like a little bit of a reef. Although the swell looks big, it only breaks right in the end here. See where it gets shallow. So I'm gonna make a cast here, see how we go, and then, I mean, I've never been here before, so maybe move up towards there and see if there's a pathway that runs along the cliff to see if I can get in that deep water over there. Yeah, but I'm gonna have a go and let's see what happens. Fish on. Small salmon. I've moved again. The fish stopped biting there. So this is the third spot for the day. To the left of me, here, that's Kilcare Beach. And to the right, that's BoxHead. So I've got some structure on the left in the water here. Last time I was here, I got a lot of fish just to the right of this. So I think it looks like it makes a deep hole here, but I'm gonna put some bait in and let's just see what happens. Right guys, you're not gonna believe this. I just spotted a massive shoal of fish, maybe within casting distance. So I changed to the spoon and I wonder if I'm gonna be able to hit him. No idea what it is. Just about. Fucking hell, unbelievable. Yeah, it's a school of salmon, man. Look at that. Fucking hell. see if I can hit him. My cast was just short. Right in there. Aye. Can you believe that? Wow. That is amazing. Just over there, there's like that black spot. Ah, that's unfortunate, huh? Wow, you don't see that every day.